new information tonight about a controversial job application form at Staples. A concerned viewer brought this to our attention, and that's when we stepped in and did some digging of our own. Tonight, we've discovered that the personal medical questions on that form are legal, and they're getting support from an unlikely source. Roz Plater is live in our newsroom tonight with a story you will see only on 7. Roz, what is the story?
Well, Leon, this is apparently a new frontier in the battle for affirmative action, and one of the groups supporting it is the country's most powerful enforcer of disability rights. This is the controversial form that shocked our ABC7 viewer when he went online to apply for a job at Staples. It asked him to volunteer if he had any disabilities, including medical conditions you may not have traditionally thought of as disabilities, like diabetes, HIV/AIDS, major depression, even post-traumatic stress disorder.
I don't have any of the disabilities or anything, but it rose major red flags for me.
So we did some digging and found out that Staples is a federal contractor, and a new law from the Labor Department requires all federal contractors to include the form as part of its application process. And guess who's in favor of it? Kurt Decker, who heads up the National Disability Rights Network, the group that has fought to uphold the protections of the Americans with Disabilities Act for 25 years.
We are supportive of this kind of affirmative action.
He says the goal is to track whether federal contractors are hiring more of the disabled and veterans, and that the government has set up hiring targets.
It is voluntary. And so they have to make a decision, a personal decision, whether they want to disclose their disability. That may be actually the way they get hired. At the same time, we are watching very carefully to show that the generic employer is not in any way discriminating against people with disabilities.
Now, again, all this is voluntary, but a lot of you have told us that you're uncomfortable with all of this. There is quite a discussion on our Facebook page. We invite you to join that discussion. Live in the newsroom, I'm Roz Plater, ABC7 News.